What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, Monday is in the books. If you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Guys, I'm very interested in the type of moves you made, but more importantly, I want to show you how you take advantage of a day like today. A lot of our price targets laid out in yesterday's illustration, and yesterday's video was hit. However, it was a gap up, and sometimes it makes it easy to trade. So I want to teach you guys what to do. I'm gonna talk about it today. I'm gonna illustrate it another day just so you guys can visually see it, but right now verbally hear it. Okay, listen, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Really quick lesson. I'm gonna talk about this at the end of the video, so stick around to the end. But check this out. This was DJT. Okay, I took part in what was supposed to be more hype, more run up in this, and nevertheless it went from $31 all the way to $52 or $50, something like that. But at market open, guys, what I noticed is that it was around $46, then it dropped to $43, then it dropped to $37. I was able to get in at around not quite 37. I didn't get it the bottom perfect, so maybe 38, 39, and I took this to 42. I was going for around $10,000 today. However, guys, I was only able to pull out 34% in this because resistance kept getting knocked down at 42 today. Every time it got to 42, it would come right back down to 39, 37. And so listen to this real quick. I'll talk about this at the end of the video, but for a better entry, if this doesn't hold the $37 level, look for this to come back down to 33 as support, but as a great entry, and then you ride it back up to these levels for your double up. Okay, I'm still going to try to do $10,000 or $20,000 on this play today. I wasn't able to achieve that, but nevertheless, I'll still take a 34% gain. All right, now listen, guys, today I got 4 stocks that I want you guys to be paying attention to. Matter of fact, if you see these 4 stocks, let me know if you are in these. Let me know if you made money off of these, but keep them on your radar as plays will begin to take off. Guys, one thing that's going to happen, write this word down: rotation, sector rotation. Okay, there will be a short-term sector rotation where you're going to see some other stocks take off. The stocks I'm going to talk about today will be some of those ones, as well as the ones I gave you guys on yesterday. Okay, kicking it off with Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, sitting at 247.22. This one was up 11.5% on the day and is up another 1.6% in after hours. I told you guys yesterday, in terms of stocks that's going to explode, stocks that's going to fly, was Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, another way to play Bitcoin is Coinbase. Okay, and look at this one, got absolutely busy today. Put this on your radar because these are some of the things that sometimes get overlooked, but has the ability to fly when it takes off. Okay, it had 14 million in volume today. That's spectacular. And again, it moved and grooved and hopefully made you guys some money. If you made some money with this, if this is one of your plays, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, next up, guys, I've been trying to tell you, pay attention to the Russell 2000. This is known as an IWM if you need a ticker symbol, but this is small caps. Okay, so what happens is you have the NASDAQ, and that's the 100 best stocks in the stock market. Then you have the S&P 500, that's the 500 best stocks in the stock market. Okay, but then, guys, you have the Russell 2000, and these are the 2,000 smallest companies in the stock market. Okay, and what tends to happen is these get left behind, these get overlooked, but every so often it rotates and the ball gets passed around to the Russell. And right now the ball has gotten passed to the Russell, and so when that happens, you want to be in it because they're small, they can fly. Okay, so like think about coin, think about SMCI, think of you guys will see. I'll make sure I point it out to you guys. Watch how they fly when they get to moving and grooving. But you have to be patient. You have to wait for their turn to come, because a lot of times, guys, they can be stagnant, and guess what? They get smacked back down quite easily too, just because they're the smallest companies in the stock market, okay? But right now, this is where you want to at least rotate to alongside your VTI, your VOO, your SCHD. You want to be positioned in this. This can at least go to 220, and if we can get through 220, we might can get to 225, okay? So again, little nice upward move still remains in this. So on a pullback, if you get the pullback to 213, 210, or 200, my levels to the upside is still going to get hit. So that's going to be even a better entry. So when this pull back, I want you guys to have this on your radar, okay? Check this one out, guys. Clean Spark. This is what I mean. These are the small cap companies I wanted to kind of introduce. You guys have been with me, you know about this already, but my point is 15%. This one is sitting at $18.72. The ticker symbol on this one is CLSK, and this up another 2.3% in after hours. I'm trying to make sure you guys know how to go fishing. You know where to look in certain times, okay? So if something pulls back, remember I told you it's always a bull market somewhere. You can always eat in this game, okay? So you got options. You can either play puts on the pullback on stocks that's going to go down, or you can just continue doing calls on stocks that's going to start going up. Or you can position yourself, and you can do all three of these. You can position yourself to say, you know what, I've been meaning to get Nvidia, and I'm going to let Nvidia pull back to 115. I'm going to get in at 115 and then ride it back up to 140. You can do stuff like that too. So again, there's no right or wrong. It's all about strategy. That's why I always talk to you guys about having a trading plan, okay? It's so important that you have a trading plan. You know what you want to do. You know why you're doing what you're doing, okay? It really makes a difference, okay? Another small cap company, DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG, sitting at $39.55. This one was up 4% on the day and is up another 0.15% in after hours. Again, things to be on your radar, okay? This one came down, but it's making its way back to $40, okay? And if it cracked through 40, it's off to the races to $45, all right? Again, these are life-changing moves if you catch these $2, $3, $4, $5 moves, okay? And so just be mindful of that. Put these on your radar, okay? What I want trying to make sure you guys understand is about sector rotation and the fact that you can play it either by rotating to, or you can understand that your stocks that you primarily like to play will come down temporarily, or they will go slower. They're not crashing. So this is what's going to be called a pullback, okay? And so when that happens, you got to look to see if it come down far enough to hit your buy zone so you can buy more shares, or you can get a deeper long call position to do options when they get ready to go back to the upside. Because as it's rotating to these now, it's going to rotate back to the Mag 7 or large tech type of stocks and sectors eventually, okay? And then guys, before I get up out of here, I just wanted to touch on this in case you guys are taking advantage of this and playing it, okay? Ticker symbol DJT, it was up 31% today, but it fell already 9% in after hours, okay? This is 36.80 at the time of this, but listen to this, write this down in case you play this tomorrow, all right? 32 to 33 is going to be a support level that this may try to come down to if they don't steal the move from us in pre-market or after hours, okay? If this gets to 33 and holds, guess what? It's going to go right back to 40 and 42. And if we break 42, then it's off to the races to 50 and then 54, okay? Let me know if that makes sense, guys. Support is at $33, okay? Around that $33 to $32 range. You are buying a call in that range, okay, just for best results. Give yourself some time just in case some news come out you didn't account for. But nevertheless, if you do this, then you get the powerful $10 move from 32 back to 42, okay? And only if we break 42 can we go to 50. Let me know if that's clear instructions and clear guidance on how to play this, okay? Now listen to this. Your stop loss go right below 32 just in case it flush back down to 27. And if it come back down to the 20s, the play is done. Okay, the play is over. You just wash your hands of that for the time being and you wait for another setup. Okay, this is how you do this. You are going to either take a small loss or you're going to have a big win by being disciplined. Okay, this is how I want you guys to be surgical. But I'm giving you this for this just because you guys are maybe playing this. But this principle that I'm giving is consistent for any stock that you may be playing that's pulling back and is heading towards support. If that support holds up, that's your cue to get in and take it back to the upside, guys. This could be a major bull flag it's creating, and if it creates one, guess what? We're going to get that same measured move back to the upside if it plays out as such. So see how tomorrow goes from market open to market close to see what this does, and if the momentum is still there, and if the momentum has faded and has left the building. Okay, what I tell you, they like buses, they're like trains. Go catch the next one. All right, don't chase, don't have fear of missing out, don't get greedy. Listen, guys, just wanted to say job well done today. Way to kick off the week. I often tell you guys, Monday sets the tone. All right, Monday sets the tone. How you do today sets the tone for how your rest of the week gonna go. So good job. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.